Hey guys, welcome back to 2 weeks of Thanksgiving, where I teach you different recipes for your Thanksgiving or Friendsgiving dinners this year. Now, what would be Thanksgiving without some turkey? Personally, not a fan, and for that reason, I'm gonna be making some smothered turkey wings instead. These are gonna be delicious and so juicy, and they won't go to waste. So let's get started. These are the turkey wings that I'm gonna be using. I'm using 2 packs and I'm gonna clean them. But of course, before I get started on that, I'm gonna be chopping my veggies and making the seasoning for the turkey. And today I'm using some bell peppers and onions. I'm just gonna cut these into smaller pieces, long way. I'm using a whole red pepper and a whole orange bell pepper. Cutting these long way. Alright, those are done. They're gonna go on top of the turkey. Next thing is mincing some fresh garlic. And if you want, you can use some minced garlic already. All right, now we got our freshly minced garlic. We're gonna move on to making the seasoning for the turkey wings. We're gonna need this garlic for that. Now we're moving on to cleaning our turkey wings. I'm using 2 packs, like I said. And you guys already know the drill. We're just gonna scrub these down. All right, now that these are completely clean, I'm gonna pat them dry and start with the seasoning process. For this part, I'm gonna use this right here to inject my turkey wings with the sauce I created earlier. If you don't have one of these, you can poke your turkey wings and try to get the seasoning in there somehow, okay? But make sure you pat them completely dry so the seasoning can stick and stay. Get as much of the water out as you possibly can. And now we're taking this, injecting it in here. So it turns out that my injector hole is way smaller than I thought it was. So my minced garlic kept getting stuck. I couldn't get the seasoning in there for me to inject the turkey wings, but that's okay because I just made a new batch without the minced garlic, and I'm gonna use that to inject the turkey wings instead. And the other batch I'll use to season the outer part and have some leftover for something else. This is the new batch that I made with the seasoning. I used the same seasoning minus the minced garlic, and then this is the old batch compared to it. You can see the clumps of garlic in there. It's not getting in here. So I'm gonna use this instead to season the interior of the turkey wings. So we're gonna take some and inject each wing with it. Push up in there. Making a mess, but it's okay. I want you guys to get a close-up of what I'm doing. I am taking this, inserting it inside, and then pushing the liquid in there. You see how that went up? I'm taking it out. Now the inside of this has all of that flavor and all the seasoning. All right, now that we have all of this injected and seasoned, I'm gonna use the other seasoning for the outer part. Just gonna add it in gradually and mix it in. This is gonna make sure that the outer part actually has flavor as well and not just the inside, which is gonna even the flavoring out. I'm not using the whole first seasoning because I don't want this to be salty. So just about half of the first seasoning that I made. Alrighty, now adding in the bell peppers and the onions. Mix that in very well. And the last ingredient is cream of mushroom. This is gonna add so much more flavor into everything. It's just gonna bring everything together so well. So I'm using a can of this. I'm doing half first so I can get it evenly spread. The half. Alrighty, everything's well coated and well seasoned. We're gonna bake this. Now you can leave this overnight for your turkey wings to get as much flavor as possible, but right now I don't really have the time, so I'm gonna go ahead and bake these right away. Now we're gonna transfer these turkey wings onto a baking dish. Try to make them as pretty as I can. Looks like I might need a bigger baking dish. I needed a bigger baking dish. These are the only two that I have, so. And last thing is these veggies. Same thing for this one. This is what my turkey looks like before I bake it. I'm gonna cover this up with some aluminum foil. I'm gonna let those turkey wings bake in the oven at 400 degrees for an hour, and then I'm gonna baste it and let it cook uncovered. After basting these for a second time, I'm gonna leave them to cook uncovered in the oven just like this, so they can get some really good color. This is it. Alright guys, that is it for these smothered turkey wings. I hope you try this recipe for your Thanksgiving dinner this year. They're falling off the bone and I cannot wait to eat them. And tomorrow I have one more main dish coming your way, so stay tuned for that recipe. Bye!